Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tara, a farmer from Northern California. This channel is mainly about farming, but sometimes it's not. Okay, it has been a little bit of a rough morning. It is actually 1:30 and we have been working on the harvester all morning. So yesterday we just barely started. We did a couple little headlands, we got the header on and my dad was so excited, so we just did a couple little passes, but we didn't really start harvesting. We didn't even fill the harvester. So this morning he realized there was a couple things wrong with the header because we had that Calmer corn header kit. So we did some more adjusting this morning and we are finally ready to head out to the field and hopefully get really moving on the harvester. And this will be day one. It's October 2nd. I think we'll have it done within a week and a half. And yeah, so here we go. All right, driving out to the field right now. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy to be in this tractor. One thing, which I kind of thought this, but I hadn't been in this tractor for a while, so I couldn't quite remember. My vineyard tractor is so loud, so loud. This one is so quiet inside. I don't know why that is. It just must, I honestly don't know why, but my little tractor is super loud inside. But yeah, so spacious, so much room. Oh, all right, head out to the field. Corn harvest 2020, day one. So this is also our planting tractor. So these bars, there's big tanks that go there for the fertilizer, whatever my dad mixes with the corn when he plants. So that's why those bars are there. Vineyard's looking nice. And there's my bank out wagon. We haven't even done anything and I'm already snacking. This is probably the worst part about driving the bank out wagon, is all I want to do is eat. I got these Justin's dark chocolate peanut butter cups. I guess the least I could do is pack some healthy snacks, right? Alrighty, first load. The reason we aren't driving is he's opening up headlands and they're kind of small fields. So he's just getting it opened up. And then after the field's open, I'll be driving alongside of him while he's harvesting. Bank out driver sponsored by Monster. JK, not sponsored by Monster. But if they wanted to, I wouldn't say no. So we are harvesting 3 15-ish acre fields. So 15 acres, I know a lot of people don't experience that small of fields. So a lot of our fields are very small and yeah, keeps us busy. We got a lot of ditches to go around and a lot of headlands to open up. And we only have an 8-row corn header, and that's because our fields are so small. We can't really justify having a bigger corn header. It would be pretty hard to get around these smaller fields. Once the bank out wagon's full, we have trucks they drop off that we get from the local grain elevators. So we do not have any big grain bins or anything like that. It all comes from the local elevator. So they bring in trucks and we dump it into their trucks. And basically I just line this up, and I always want to do the front trailer first. So normally the trailer is turned around. We try to get them facing the other direction, but you want to fill the front first, just in case there was any reason it had to be picked up before being completely full. They can pick it up with the front trailer full and the back trailer empty, but not the other way around. Then I've got a button to open the PTO and a hydraulic to open up a door. See if you guys can see it start coming out here in a second. There we go. Corn. It's my first load of the year. So we have a canal right here over to the side. Here is a canal that goes between a couple of our fields. And we've got this nice sharp little U-turn that we take to get from one field to the other. And I don't know why, but it always makes me nervous in the tractor. It's nothing in a pickup, but I don't know, going up these hills in the tractor, it's like, woo! Got a canal and a ditch on every side of ya. Just gotta take it slow. It's like, it's not that steep, but it feels steep, you know? All right, we're gonna open up this field now. Show you guys the inside of the bank out wagon. So there's the inside of the bank out wagon. My auger. What's my snack? Bam! So today I'm eating chickpea snacks, honey roasted. I'm gonna admit I was not snack prepared for harvest. Today is Friday. Who starts corn harvest on a Friday? We do. Well, we kind of started yesterday, but not really. Anyway, so this weekend, hopefully Sunday, I can make it to the grocery store and buy some snacks. Because if you've been around since last year, you know I'm a snacker. If you're new here, I'm a snacker. Like, what else do you do all day in the bake-out wagon, you know? You snack. So if you have a friend of a snack, tell me. And if you're a snacker, hit the thumbs up button. Okay, so this truck is full, so then the next thing we do is write truck tags. And that basically makes sure we can keep track of everything. Stick them in here, that way the trucker will get them. We're good to go. Alrighty, that's a wrap for day one. Hopefully day 2 will go a little bit smoother, a little bit better. If you guys enjoyed today's video, remember to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button. It means the world to me, and I will catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully.